Welcome back, anybody. What we're doing now is, I guess, the second part of what I wanted to do today, which is to do some yard cleanup. I've got a golden birch on the mill right now, and since the black flies are here, I'm going to just get that thing milled down to something, probably 4/4 boards, and then I'm going to call it a day. If you don't know what a black fly is, you are lucky. They are nasty, nasty buggers. So anyway, let's get started on this log because I don't want to get eaten alive, and let's see what happens. All right, well, we didn't do too bad for basically a piece of scrap log. Got 4 pieces of birch out of here. Nothing spectacular, but it's free and it's better than getting nothing at all. Now that the birch is done, we're going to work on the elm crotch here. All I plan on doing, I'm not really sure. We have a branch that comes off over here, and I'm probably going to cut a bit of this off so I end up with more a rectangular board instead of live edge. And we're probably going to mill it at, I'm guessing, 6/4. And all I'm trying to do is get it done. So I'm going to do it real quick and dirty, get it semi-squared up or squared up depending, and get the thing milled. So let's get started. All right, looking good. So take a picture here, see how we are. Maybe that from top to top are roughly the same, so I think I'm going to take off this branch. What we have here, and I'll get my level out, and you're going to go mobile, although you shouldn't need to be mobile, but let's do that. Okay, we're mobile. I think our blade is just a tad dull. That is really bad. So we're going to put a new blade on here, and you're just going to take a rest. So we'll be back in probably 2 seconds. All right, got a safety pin up here, clamp screw over here. Another pin. Gonna take the tension off. There we go. Be back in 1 second. You probably thought I was going to do this without gloves. You thought wrong. These blades are not sharp until you touch them, and then they're sharp. One would think these should be very, very easy to take out, but surprisingly, they're not that easy. Everything catches on something. There. Now I get the new one. Again, I'll be back in 1 second, less than 1 second. You see, not even 1 second. That's fast. Okay, I'm going to turn the key on to the number 3 or ACC position. Engage the blade, then disengage and turn off the power. That should free up this wheel. Semi-free. We're going to try that again. Much better. So much easier to do this with loose band wheels. Now what I like to do is put about 500 pounds pressure on the gauge here, 500 to 1,000, which puts it a little bit under tension, and then we can looks good over here. Over here, not so good. So we're going to bump it up to 1,000. For some reason, I found with more tension, it tracks better, or closer to what it should be, I guess I should say. We're going to go to about 2,000. And we're looking good. All right. Turn off the key, keys off. All right, good. All right, let's get back to work. Okay, folks, this is what we got. Let's try to do these in pairs. Here's one pair right here. Nice book match. Again, this is elm. And we're going to jump right over to the other pair, which is not as impressive, but it's still better than a piece of plywood. Want to get the shadow out of there. We don't want to have that guy in there. So that's it. Not bad for a piece of firewood. No idea what I'm going to do with this stuff, but at least I have it to work with. So got some really nice crotch figure in here, which is what I was hoping for. So what we need to do is find somebody who has a little bit of an artistic flair and wants to work with this. So that ends the yard cleanup for now. So again, thank you very much for joining me in this venture. Hopefully we'll have more gooder stuff coming up in the future. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.